So today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful pesto. Pesto is a sauce that originated in the northern part of Italy in a city called Genoa. But rumor has it that it dates back as far as ancient Rome. But regardless, today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you a pesto sauce you can use for a variety of applications. From things like folding it into some gnocchi or some plain old pasta, or serving alongside some seared salmon. So without further ado, let's begin. So first things first is I'm going to begin by roasting our garlic. So start by adding 4 cloves of garlic to a sheet of tin foil. Then you're going to add a teaspoon of olive oil, followed by some salt and pepper. Now we're going to bring this all together, and then we'll turn this into a nice little package and place into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Now we'll do the exact same thing with 1/8 of a cup of pine nuts, except this time we won't be adding any pepper. And after roasting these nuts for 10 minutes, this is what they should look like. They should have some color but not be too dark, as they will impart a bitter flavor. Now our garlic should be coming out of the oven at the same time, and it should be fully cooked through but not too caramelized. Next, in a food processor, add 2 cups of arugula, 1 cup of parsley, and 1 cup of dill. Then we'll add our roasted garlic and pine nuts with a pinch of salt and black pepper, followed by a half cup of grated Parmesan. Next, we'll add 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, and we'll begin processing this until we achieve a grainy consistency. Also, a side note, we're not going to add the lemon juice just yet, as it's going to oxidize the chlorophyll within the herbs and it's going to turn slightly brown. So to keep this from happening, only add lemon juice right before using. And now here's our beautiful arugula pesto. And you know what else this pesto would go really great with? A portobello mushroom. So check out this video right here and learn how to cook a portobello mushroom like a chef. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.